Good, well, yeah, semi-morning. It's 11:05. This is another video from the Nemesis Coupe, and I actually just forgot my name because I'm still wrapped up on Box Wrench Boys, and it's been a fucking year. So, the Optima. I actually really like it. I've been driving it for about 3 months now, and I have no complaints. It drives, it runs, it's not blown up. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much got everything I want. CD player and Bluetooth and all that fancy horse shit. Oh shit, there goes my buddy and his Fusion that's going to be canceled. Yeah, Ford. So, what the fuck is up with that? Ford basically just getting rid of every single one of their sedans and hatchbacks except for the Focus Active and the Ford Mustang. Me personally, I think that's a very dumb move because they seem to think that this stupid crossover trend is going to last a very long time, but hey, whatever's profitable is profitable. In my opinion, I think they should at least keep the Focus ST and the RS, or maybe just make the RS like a limited time thing, which would make it really rare. But nonetheless, I think they should really keep the ST along with the Mustang, at least as like an affordable sports car or sports hatch, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I mean, those are my thoughts on it. I think it's a very stupid move. Mitsubishi did the same thing by getting rid of the Galant, the Lancer, the Evo, and now they have what, the Mirage and the Mirage G4. That is really stupid. Oh, and they made the Eclipse a fucking hatchback crossover looking thing, and apparently they were talking about making the Evo the same thing. So, car companies are stupid, and I'm just gonna keep my little Kia Optima, and in 6 years trade it in on a Stinger, or the new Genesis Coupe, which is supposedly going to be released around 2020, 2021, something like that. But until then, I'm just gonna keep rocking the Kia. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Garage Amino. It is essentially Facebook, but for everybody that is all about cars. Just kind of showing you a quick overview of the whole app. Basically, you can check your notifications as if it were Facebook, likes, comments, follows, and all that stuff. Like right now, I'm actually checking a reply to a comment that I left on a person's post, and he's a retired curator, and basically the curators run the entire app. But you can spend a whole lot of time on this app doing cool things like taking quizzes, engaging in chats. The more time that you spend on this app, the higher rank level you get. You can, like I said, join chat rooms. The one that I was actually kind of interested in was the 1990 to 2000 chat room. But as far as that goes, whole lot of support here as far as whatever you're building. Anybody will comment, anybody can pretty much see what you post, and kind of give you some insight on, if you need help or whatever. Everybody's always willing to give you a helping hand. And however, you always have those people who basically give you their opinion that you don't really want. But this is how you can check your stats and everything, how long you've spent on the app, the time that you put in, and these are the ranks that you can get as far as, I think it's level 20 is the highest, and sorry about the video quality as far as it being cut off here. I don't know why it got cut off when I made the video, but here's essentially my Facebook wall of Garage Amino, and these are all of the posts that I've made over the past 2 years. I've been a member since 2016, and like I said, the more time you put into this app, the higher level you'll get. I haven't really been on that much, but I've been trying for the most part lately. But yeah, it basically, like I said, it's just like Facebook, but for anybody that breathes cars. And like Facebook, you can look at other people's posts, check out what they're doing, what they're building. They have different events that are going on. Like right now, they have the Inspiration event. Right now I'm checking out this guy's Subaru wagon. I think it's a really nice clean build and it looks really cool. Hope you guys really enjoy the app. Hope you download it. You can download on the app. Wow, holy shit. The iTunes Store or the Google Play Store.
Rain down, stop my pay, drop my spray, put it in the box, I say, 100K, yeah, I say, you talking money.